Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. Today we're discussing how we can make a shadow box, in this instance a burial flag case, with an ability to remove the glass easily if for some reason it breaks over time. So I want to show you the one I'm working on right now. This is bird's eye maple and walnut. As you see the front here, you see I've got the face frame on. Now typically with shadow boxes like this, you'll either cut a kerf into the face frame and put your glass in there, or you'll do kind of a rabbet with the face frame and set the glass in that way. Both of those are good methods, except it's tough to remove the glass if it is to break. So this method, I'm sure you're gonna like it because I discovered it about 4 years ago and I absolutely love it. It's a very easy way to do it. So if you look at the inside of the box here, I've got 1/2 inch for all the sides, and I've got these 1/4 inch pieces that I've planed down that are actually sitting inside the box here. So if you look inside, you're going to see a 1/4 inch rabbet inside the box here, that walnut, and that's where the glass is sitting. Now in order to keep that secure in there, that's what I've cut these pieces for. And I've just mitered 45 degrees on each panel. I slide those in. And these sit nicely on top of the glass, hold it in place. So now once we've got this set up, we're going to either do one of two things. You can either add a little bit of caulk to the inside of these panels, or I like to use a 23 gauge pin nailer, where I just put a couple pins in there to hold it in place, and it's very, very easily removed. If the customer was to break the glass at some point, they can bring it in and take those panels out and replace the glass very easily. As you look at the top here, you can see that when I made my decision to cut the width of this panel, I take into consideration how much I'm going to need clearance for when I put the insert in. So if you look at the insert I'm using here, I wanted that to sit nice and flush. So that's how I determine the width at which that panel is going to be cut. Super easy, super fast, and a surefire method to give your mind some ease when you're shipping these things off and hoping the glass doesn't break. I've used this for a long time. I love it. I hope you love it too. My name is Jeff O'Connor, and thanks for dropping by.